Okay, let's go.
Okay, at about 3 o'clock, I started to try to get back from the Magic Kingdom to my off-property budget hotel. It's 5 minutes to 6, 3 hours later. Monorail to the Contemporary Resort, to 2 lifts not picking me up, taking a shuttle to Disney Springs, getting a lift and coming back here.
We're now passing Bay Lake Tower and Disney Contemporary Resort.
At 3 p.m., after hanging out at the Magic Kingdom, at the Contemporary, I drink a beer at the Outer Rim, then prepare to get a lift to go back to my budget hotel.
Okay, so out of frustration, I just canceled it. And now, obviously, prices are going up. It's almost 4:30. I'm trying to get from the Contemporary Resort back to my Flamingo Crossings hotel. And I can't get anybody to come get me. It just keeps going up, or he went the wrong direction. Yeah, it's a little frustrating. So, if you plan to take a Lyft, rideshare, it doesn't always work on your schedule.
Okay, he'll be here in 6 minutes, it says. Now 3 minutes. That's quicker than the 16 minutes on the one before I was canceling on. Yeah, this one's going to be 26 bucks. So price is going up as the day goes by. There he is. At least I finally get a ride. Okay, I get a message, I get somebody, but can't actually get somebody to pick me up.
I can't figure this out. I'm stuck at the Contemporary. I had a Lyft coming for me. They did let him in the front gate because I don't have a resort stay or a Disney restaurant. I have what's going on. Now I'm sitting at the bus for Disney Springs. I'm not sure what to do. Hey, don't screw up transportation like I do. What the heck? So I guess I go to Disney Springs. Oh my goodness. All of this. I'm going to Disney Springs. I went to the Magic Kingdom. I'm at the Contemporary. And now I'm trying to get to my hotel. I gotta go to Disney Springs because I don't have a reservation here. Oh my goodness. This is painful. This is painful. Why am I on the shuttle from Magic Kingdom Contemporary to Disney Springs?
Because Lyft twice, couldn't get into the gate. Now I'm headed here, I'm going to take a Lyft from there, blah, blah, blah. How much does it cost me? I have no idea. Did I pay for those 2? Now I got to pay for 3? At this point, I have no idea.
Don't make the mistakes I do with a family of 4. I'm by myself, and it sucks. Make it simple. Don't screw up your trip. I'm by myself. Can you imagine? Family of 4? You screw up like me? Yeah, you got problems. Thousands of dollars. Your wife's mad at you.
You're in trouble. Magic Kingdom transportation disaster. I was at the Magic Kingdom, and I'm just trying to get back to my budget hotel. And then I ordered a Lyft, 30 minutes, and I ordered another Lyft. They can't come on to the Contemporary property because I don't have a reservation or a diner. The guy at the front desk said, yeah, they'll come pick you up. They didn't. So now I took a shuttle. It was right there to Disney Springs. Now I'm going to take a Lyft. How much have they charged me up to this point? I have no idea. I'm just trying to get back. With a family of 4, I can't even imagine it. Okay, at about 3 o'clock, I started to try to get back from the Magic Kingdom to my off-property budget hotel. It's 5 minutes to 6, 3 hours later. How many have I paid for? I'm not sure. Probably 3. 2 canceled, couldn't get through the gate. Hey, I'm making the mistakes for you. This doesn't need to be your $3,000 to $5,000 vacation. Don't book the wrong hotel. Don't book a disaster. I just want to help you out.
Me? I'm by myself. Family of 4? Yeah, Dad. You'll be lucky to still be married by the time you get home.
Hotel's hidden fees guide, free. Links in the bio.